In this question, you have to identify the microorganism which is responsible for the production of an immunosuppressive molecule, cyclosporin A. Option A, Clostridium butylicum. It is incorrect. This microorganism is involved in the production of butyric acid, not cyclosporin A. Option B, Aspergillus niger. It is also incorrect. It is known for producing citric acid, not cyclosporin A. Option C, Streptococcus cerevisiae. It is incorrect. This is a misnomer. And Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the correct name, which is used for baking and alcohol production, not for cyclosporin A. Option D, Trichoderma polysporum. Now, Trichoderma polysporum is the microorganism responsible for the production of the immunosuppressive molecule cyclosporin A, which is used to suppress immune responses, especially in organ transplantation. Hence, it is the correct option.